Hi guys. Hi guys. We're going to open Explore 1 HD action camera with Wi-Fi. You can do this anywhere in the whole wide world. Okay. It includes a tripod. You can create a blog with it, and it's waterproof. You can view the action live. 8 gigabytes micro flash card, and you can record and share the action. Super cool. And I got the same. It's safe the same. We got these from the Padoan family. Thank you, Padoan family. I like cameras. I can take pictures of anything I like. Let's open it. Let's see how. I need some help. Oh my, it's so big. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I have no idea how to open it. I'll help you. Yeah. That exploded. Okay, come on. Whoa, that's so cool, guys. Look, it's a camera. It looks so cool. And then there's a stand. I really need some help. Bye. Bye. Okay, how am I going to open this now? Okay, let me just randomly open this thing. How do I open this? Okay, I'm just gonna. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's crazy. Everything crazy. Almost got it out. So you get this other part out. Bye. It's really hard to take. Hi. Oh. I did it! I almost got it out. Get the wars is coming. I feel like I'm not taking it off. I feel like I'm taking off the wallpaper. I'm taking off the wallpaper. Why? This is so hard. I think I'm ripping off a whole half off. Oh, this is so hard to open this. Okay. Here. I got it out! I got it out! Just need to take off this extra thing. Get off. So I can see what you are. Why is it stuck onto it? Like, it's stuck. It's like it's glued on some reason. I found it! I opened it! Let's see what's inside. Oh no! The camera! Ooh, look at these weird parts. So this is something I don't really know. And there's lots of parts in here. Wow. I don't even know how to put this together. This. Look. That's cool. These are my parts. Don't get our parts mixed up. Okay. Because then we won't know. I have no idea how to put this on. This is so weird. I don't even know how to. I guess I have to find the instructions. Yeah, I think I have it right here. Where did you find it? I'm gonna look for mine. I think I have an instruction somewhere. Ooh. Oh, I found my instructions, but that's not mine. Chuck. Look at the micro flash adapter. Yeah. I just need to get the camera out and too good. I got the camera out. Looks so cool, guys. Floppy. And I got this cool thing that I can put out like this. So I can hold it. Like that. Really cool.
Okay.
Yeah. Tripod high five. It's a battle. Okay, let's see what else I have.
And how do you assemble this? I have no idea. These are
I'll
all
help
these
you.
parts.
Oh, I found my instructions and a bunch of other truck parts.
I don't even.
I think this is the charger.
Yeah, of course.
What's this?
It's a floppy. This is a floppy.
Let's see how to do this. Oh, see, my eyes are very small. How we gotta take up. We're gonna take up the case like this, pull it out, and then it's opened. And the camera's really small, so we're gonna take it out.
Be big.
Oh, it looks so small. Why? Look. This is how small the camera is. It's a nice size to carry everywhere because it's not heavy. It's like really light.
I need something.
And this is the case of it. This is the case of the camera.
Yeah, you can put some things in there.
And it's only camera. Seriously. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do next.
I need help.
Okay, I'll help you. Is it gonna open? Oops. Again. So I'm gonna pull it. And then we're gonna, oops, I didn't know. Oops. Oh, it's so hard to do. Pull it out like that. And then here you go, honey.
Thanks.
Yeah, let me take out the camera. Be careful.
It's the same.
My camera. Stop.
And my stove.
Okay, let's see what's next.
Ooh, we can peel off the camera thing right here.
Haley, it's time to open the micro flash card.
I got it.
There we go. This one's really small. This one's really big.
It's the size of my nail. Bigger than my nail.
Okay, let's see how to put this in.
Oh, that's.
This is the adapter for this, but we don't really need this right now.
Okay.
Okay, let's see here to put this in there. I'm gonna push it in. Push. How do you put this in, and which way do you put it in?
Okay.
Okay. I put it in. It's inside.
I can put it in.
I did it. I put it in. And you can also take it out. How do you take it out? Oh no, it's stuck. Okay. Yes, it's in. It's good. To go. Do you need help?
Yeah. I have no idea where it goes.
Gotta make sure you put it straight in. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. Push.
I don't
push.
need help.
Huh? Push. I think I put it the wrong way. Yeah, it's definitely.
This is how you put it in. You, me.
Oh,
So
okay.
you.
Am I supposed to? Oh, that's how you put it. The other way, like this. There we go. I did it. It's supposed to go in the back.
Now we just need to screw it in.
And then we just need to screw it in. It's so hard to screw these things in when they're so wobbly.
Get in. Get in.
Oh, I feel like this is gonna fall in my face.
I think mine is in, but I can move. Mine is done. It's gonna do like
looks like a tiny GoPro.
This one?
This part
Right here.
Oh, on the top. Oops.
Now what do you put on here? This or something? What the? Is that how you put it on? I don't know if it's supposed to go like that.
10 hours later. This is so long. Here you go, Haley.
Thank you.
And then it goes like this on the inside. And there we go. I did it. I just need to screw on a little more. Okay, almost done it. Just gonna keep doing it. There we go. Now I can do videos.
By myself.
I can't take out this huge sticker here. There we go.
There we go.
Nah,
Bye.
no. Okay, fine. I'll just stick that on here. There, now you feel that off. So cool.
You know what the other parts?
This is so good.
What about the other parts?
Jump. So cool. We can connect the camera with different stuff, like on a skateboard, a helmet, like when you're wearing your helmet, and on a scooter, and you can just randomly do it like that. I need to put it on. Turn. The camera keeps moving everywhere. Let's turn it on. 3, 2, 1. Let me try again. Ow. Why isn't it turning on? Ha! Meh. It's on. Really cool. Thank you. Hi guys, we're vlogging. Guys, it's working. We can turn it around. And we can take videos. We can also take a picture of the fish in the water. It's really cool. How big is it? How big is it? I can take a video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe and like this channel.
Bye. Stay tuned for our next video. Bye. 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 Smells really weird. So cool. Ooh, I can take a video of you guys.